Hi guys, it's Hinda and welcome to Cooking Fantasies. So yeah, I've been seeing this one egg famous cake everywhere and I had no choice but to give it a try, and that's what we're doing today. It's very easy to make and I'm really happy to share this with you because it was totally worth it. So we're basically going to start by slicing 2 bananas. You can actually use any fruit that you have, an apple, maybe a peach, pineapple, whatever you have. The nice thing about this recipe is that you don't need an oven, it's in the pan, so it's basically a pancake. I add brown sugar, but you can also use normal white sugar. And I have here a non-stick pan. If your pan sticks, go ahead and brush it with some butter. I highly recommend you to do that. And you're gonna need about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to add all my banana slices all over the sugar. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, we make a lot of delicious and easy recipes, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get all the notifications. To make the batter, of course, we're gonna need 1 egg, like the name of this recipe. Then add the sugar, the vanilla extract or the vanilla infused sugar, and mix everything together. You're gonna have to continue mixing or beating till the mixture turns pale and thick. Then go ahead and add the oil and the milk. And like always, all the ingredients you're gonna need in both the grams and the cups measurements, I'm gonna be leaving you down in the description box, as well as a link to the printable recipe. And finally, sift in the dry ingredients, which are basically the flour and the baking powder. And mix one more time to combine everything together. And now back to the pan, we're going to pour the butter all over the bananas. And then you're gonna have to cover your pan and allow it to bake really slowly on a low heat. So after about 23 to 24 minutes, I checked the cake and it should be dry. It means it's ready, and now we're going to flip it. I think mine was a little bit too long on the heat that it should, and it looks a little bit dark, but it's actually not burnt and it didn't taste like burning at all. It was just nice caramel flavor. And to avoid that from happening again, I'm going to brush my pan with some butter and then put the cake back on the other side that was upwards to bake and get some color. And this took about another 5 minutes on a low heat. I added some powdered sugar and chocolate chips. They tasted really nice with the caramel flavor and the banana. This is optional, you can also add syrup or whatever you prefer. It tastes really good, it has an amazing texture, and it's really quick. Basically, you can make a whole family breakfast in one pan at once. You just put it there and you go to get other things done while it's getting ready, and it's actually stayed really nice and moist for till the next day. I'm definitely making this again and I totally recommend you to try it. I thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell if you haven't done it yet, and see you soon in a new video. Happy baking!